Welcome to how to get coupons tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to get Temu coupons for existing customers. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first, if you see on the screen, I have ordered a big order and I got a discount for $100. So if you want to get a discount like that, you need to open the coupon.club and get your discount from there. So let's open it together and see how to get the discount. So first you need to open a browser. I will open Chrome. Then from your browser you need to search for the coupon.club. As you see, you will open a website that has a lot of coupons. Then you can choose your coupon. We will choose Temu for now. And from here you will see all Temu coupons. If you didn't use the $100 coupon, click on show the 100 off and then you will see that it's locked. You need to click unlock now and then you will go to a verification site that will verify that you are not a scam. As you see here, after you choose an offer to do, you will be redirected to that site or the app that you want to download to do the offer. Then go back to the site and the code will be unlocked, as you see here. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.